hiccups.
Okay, I think I'm good.
I'm not.
I'm good. No, I'm not. Stop, buddy. Bad girl. Bad. There we go. Listen. Stop.
No, it doesn't. She's dying. She's dying!
I need to stop.
I think mine went. Never mind. False alarm.
Okay, we're good.
Bye. Spit on me. Boy. We keep hiccuping. Oh my, this is just too funny. Well, it was funny at first, then I decided to record it, but like, you know.
That's what you recorded. You see what you did? They were getting better too. And now they're getting worse. It's not funny. Okay, now it's gone.
I'm waiting for it.
No.
Okay, this is the last video.
Yeah, well, I hope so. Because why just start like burping or something, eh? Look at us. It's like we jump in each at our own time. Okay, we're both done.
What was that?
Okay, I'm good then. I'm good.
Boy.
No, I'm not. Okay, it's not. I think we're getting better, and it's not as funny. And we'll just like up at the same time now. Okay, we're good. My body hates me.
Okay,
My body hates me.
Boy. Okay, we're done.